Watch how you can plait your hair twist without having issue. Easy way you can use to plait hair twist your hair for beginners who is trying to learn how to twist hair. Please watch this video to the end. I want to show you something. So cut out the extension like this. Cut your extension like this. Divide into two. Make sure one side is smaller than the other side. Then cross it like this. See what I did? I cross. Remember, we are plaiting, twisting, hair twist. Like I said earlier, make sure one side is bigger than the other side. Make sure one side is bigger than the other side. Then cross it. It will look like this. When you cross it, it will look like this. Then take the smaller side of the hair, place it on the extension. Take the smaller side of the extension, place it on the hair like this. See my hand? See what I just did? Use the smaller side to place on the hair that you have already cut out. Please, if you like what you are watching, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so that you get updates when next I post tutorial like this. Watch closely and see what I'm doing and don't skip any part of this video so that you will learn something, especially for the beginners. Then start your braid like this. We want to first of all braid it a little. Watch what I'm doing for easy clipping like this. You see my hand? Use your tip to hold it, all of them. Then start your braid. That's it. Start your braid. Continue. Remember, we are doing hair twisting. We are not doing box braid. But this is to start your twisting for beginners. Look at what I just did. I give it like 3 steps. Plait box braid for like 3 steps first. Then bring it out like this. Use these two together and twist it together. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for the next update. Look at it. Twist it here. Then do the same for this side of the end. When you are done, put this one in between your fingers like this, like scissors, clip it tight. That is the function. That is why you are putting it here, for you to clip it tight. So right, because if you leave it, if I remove my hand, everything will scatter. So you put it in between here before you pick the rest. So watch what I will do here. Do like this, then do like this, again, do like this, twist again, and do like this, again, twist again, do like this, again, twist, and do like this. Make sure you twist. Please, very, very important. Don't just cross without twisting. Watch what my hand is doing like this. Don't skip this video so that you will learn something. Please, especially for the beginners. This is step-by-step tutorials how you can achieve this braid easily. Look at it. Follow this method, you will achieve it very, very easy. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Give my video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for another update. Look at it. Twist so that it will be firm. Why you are twisting is to make it to be firm. It's not when you plait and remove your hand, it will loose. No. Look at it. You twist and move. When you reach to the point that you want to stop, you can give it a new design, or you can just, there are different ways you can do that. Some can stop like this, then coil this place, or You choose this method, cut out the little portion from the one you are plaiting like this, hold it, all of them together, then use this method to end your twist. Look at it. Look at it. Use this method. Use this method to end your twist. Very easy and simple. As a beginner, you will achieve your required result. Look at it. Look at it. If you like, cut it up with scissors, or you can coil this one, roll it up like this, and it will have coils on the mouth. It's another method too, because you have different types of methods you can use. So how do you see my tutorial? Look at it, rate my work, give it a thumbs up, please, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching. Bye.